So, hello guys, welcome to our next session of the Dynamics 365. In this session, we are going to see what is the data types that are present in the dataverse table. Okay, so let's see what is table. Okay, so table is nothing but the collection of rows and columns which holds the meaningful data. So those who don't know like what is table, for them let me show you. This is nothing but the table. Okay, so table is collection of different rows and columns. Okay, so we have different columns here. So column is nothing but, here is first name, we have last name, we have mobile number, we have address. So these are the columns, so which holds the meaningful data. So first name column holds the first name only of all the records. In last name will hold last name of the all the records. So this this is nothing but the columns. So columns are also known as attribute or field. Okay, so column is known as attribute or field. Then database provides standard tables such as accounts, contacts, users, and tasks, etc. So each existing table has a set of predefined columns, right? So we have account table, which is standard table provided by Dataverse. So this table has the predefined columns like account name, phone, fax, website, parent account, ticker symbol, address 1, street 2, street 3. So these all the columns are predefined in that case. Okay, so each column comes with the specific data types. Okay, so whenever we want to store any data in a one column, at that time we must have to first define the data type of that particular column. So suppose we want to create a column for account name. So at that time we need to provide the data type for that column. So here account name is usually consists of the text, right? So we need to configure it as a proper data type. So let's see what are the different data types Dataverse provides. Okay, so there are different data types in Dataverse. So first one is single line of text, then we have multi-line of text, then we have number, then date and time, currency, lookup, we have auto number, we have choice, we have file, we have formula. So these are the different data types Dataverse provides us. Okay, so what is single line of text? So single line of text data type is used when we want to store a single line of text. Okay, so it is as simple as that. Okay, then we have multi-line of text. It is used when you want to store multiple lines of text or summary. So at that time we use multiple line of text. Then we have number. So number is used whenever there is requirement to store the numbers like 1, 2, 3, and many more. Okay, we have date and time to store the date. It might be the current date or past date or future date. We can also store the timestamp. Then we have currency. Currency is used to store not only number but also currency also, currency symbol. Okay, so suppose we want to store the rupees 10, at that time it will store the 10 as well as the currency as a rupees. Okay, then we have lookup. So in our previous sessions we have already gone through the lookup data type. So it is generally used to link two tables. Okay, to create relationship between the two tables. Okay, then we have auto number data type, which is used to store the number by auto incrementing it. Okay, then we have choice. Whenever we want to store multi choice value, at that time choice data type will be used. Then we have file. File is generally used to store the images and different types of attachments on the form. Okay, then we have formula. So we have a dedicated lecture for formulas. and we will see that in detail in that particular section. Okay, so that's all for today's lecture. I think, guys, we have already covered everything regarding the table and data type in this lecture. If you have any queries, guys, just comment on this particular video, and see you in the next lecture. Thank you very much, guys. Bye.